guys, you must tell Malawian people to stop this nonsense. You see, they are in foreign land. Now they are busy doing what they are doing now. Is it fair? Now they are busy making noise here like as if they are South African. That's why you see, that's why most of South Africans, they chase foreigners. Because what is this? What is this? They are busy making noise now. And they are busy protesting now in some, hey, imagine. Look what they are doing now. Look at this. South African now they can't sleep because of them. Hi guys, you must stop this. You must stop this nonsense, guys. Please, I beg. You must stop